Welcome to Pros Pondering Paint, the podcast that cuts right through the noise and gives you straight up, no fluff painting advice. Today we're tackling a question that every homeowner and contractor has asked, and that is, what is the difference between Sherwin-Williams SuperPaint and their Cashmere? Now, here's a few things that we need to think about. These two paints are nearly identical in price, so why does Sherwin-Williams offer them both? Stick around because the answer might change the way that you choose paint for your next project. Now, before we dive in, whether you're a pro like me or a homeowner who's trying to get a perfect finish, this episode is for you. And hey, if you find it helpful, please hit that follow and subscribe button. Every week, we're going to break down pro-level painting advice so that you can work smarter and not harder. Let's start with SuperPaint. This is a go-to product for high-traffic areas like hallways, kitchens, and kids' rooms. It is highly washable, it's durable, has good coverage, and is packed with titanium dioxide, which gives it superior hide. Now, let's quickly clarify an important painting term. Do you think that paint coverage and hide are the same things? Think again. And here's the real difference. Coverage is how far a gallon of paint spreads, usually measured in square feet per gallon. Hide is the paint's ability to conceal the color underneath it. Paint can have great coverage, so it can go a long way, but have poor hide, which means that you might need multiple coats. If you want to hide an old color efficiently, titanium dioxide is a key ingredient. And when it comes to hide, SuperPaint is the clear winner. Plus, it has more sheen options. They have a flat, a velvet, a satin, a semi-gloss, and a gloss, giving you plenty of flexibility for your different projects. Now, if you're after a high-end designer look, Cashmere is definitely the way to go. It levels out for a super smooth, velvety finish, reducing brush and roller marks. The trade-off? Cashmere likely contains less titanium dioxide than SuperPaint. This means that you might potentially need an extra coat, especially over darker colors. But if you're painting a living room, bedroom, or dining room where durability isn't as critical, then that flawless finish can take your space to the next level. So here's the big question. Since SuperPaint and Cashmere are almost the same price, why does Sherwin-Williams have both lines? Well, here's what my friend Alec and Audrey at my local Sherwin-Williams reminded me of. Cashmere has access to 250 extra designer colors that SuperPaint doesn't. This means that if you're after a very specific high-end shade, Cashmere might be your only option. So which paint should I choose? Do you need durability and washability? If so, go with SuperPaint. Do you want a flawless, smooth finish? Cashmere is your best bet. If you're looking for the best hide and performance, then SuperPaint is going to win. Now, between Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, and Behr, which brand do you think actually makes the best wall paint? In this episode, we put their best paint head-to-head to find out. Make sure you check the link in the description. Now it's your turn. SuperPaint or Cashmere? Which one do you prefer and why? Drop a comment below or shoot me a message with your paint dilemma. And don't forget, subscribe to Pros Pondering Paint for real, no fluff insights every single week. We break it down so you can get the best results without the guesswork. We'll see you next time.